Hello from Hong Kong and welcome to this week's market update. It's been an eventful few weeks of the year, but equities continue to rise with the S&P 500 closing at a new record high of 3,853, helped by strong earnings reports. Netflix stock alone jumped 15% on the back of strong subscriber growth and the possibility of resuming stock buybacks, as well as revenue beating analysts' expectations, coming in at $7.13 billion in Q4. The Hang Seng in Hong Kong rose above 30,000 for the first time since 2019, but was unable to close above this crucial level. The market has been buoyed by a great wall of money from the mainland Stock Connect flowing into Hong Kong listed stocks. Inflows measured at times in excess of $3 billion a day and caused HKEX stock to rise 13% as higher volumes drive revenue. This week marked the changing of the guard in Washington as Joe Biden took the reins of the presidency, and it went off seemingly without a hitch. The market now looks for policy guidance and clear communications from the new administration. This started on Wednesday as incoming Treasury Secretary and former Fed Chair Janet Yellen made it clear that she intends to allow the market to set the rate of the US dollar and has no intention of interfering and weakening the currency for competitive advantage. Yellen also made comments that saw that lawmakers should look to curtail cryptocurrencies, as she argues they are mainly used to fund illegal activities. Now, I would say regulatory risk I would argue, is the biggest hurdle for cryptocurrencies, and Bitcoin has fallen 25% from its record high as it retreats below the $30,000 level. Finally, for this week, how will the new US administration deal with China? Well, if we search for clues, it looks like the Biden government will continue to provoke the mainland. Taiwan's top envoy to the US was at President Biden's inauguration. Now, this is the first time in more than 40 years that a Taiwanese representative has been in attendance. Biden has outlined that he has no immediate plans to do anything to change the current Trump stance on China. Now, likely this year we shall see uniting of America's allies as Biden returns to multilateralism. Now, the UK has given us a signal of what is to come. Boris Johnson, who hosts this year's G7 summit, has invited India, South Korea, and Australia to join. China should be concerned that its current tough stance, particularly with Australia, could be the catalyst that unites the voices against it. That's all for this week's market update. I will see you all again next week.